How's it going, everyone? SAVA. The whole market's red last week, but not SAVA. SAVA's going up. Massive gains here. A low of 8.79 all the way to almost $30. Congrats on SAVA Bulls. This was awesome. I just want to make a video, guys, give you my transparency because I see this a lot of times. A stock runs up really big. People think it can't go down. I mean, this was awesome. Sava was a very nice one during the red market days, and who would have thought this thing ran well over 100% from the lows and was just awesome. So according to my system, if you guys watched it, I do the band strategy. We look for price rejections. We don't try to look for home run hits. We just look for those little corrections that make us that 10 to 20% profit. And when I'm looking at Sava, this is a very interesting thing here. We got earnings coming up. So we had this hype into earnings, right? So this run up to earnings, but we are at an ATR4, so we'll probably get a pullback. We did just hit the EMA 5, which is extremely bullish because we're just heading up over that EMA 5. You're jumping on a trampoline, and what is happening is that EMA 5 is your trampoline. You jump up and you come down and you bounce and you keep going up and up and up. And this is what's happened with Sava. But we know Sava's going to go down. It's really hard to stay above this ATR4. The last time we really did was right in here. We came tumbling right on down, didn't give us much room. A lot of the bulls got hopium and they thought this was it, and they didn't really see this system, and they think, okay, I'm going to get in at 30. I'm going to get in the top here just for it to plummet all the way down. Sava had a lower band touch here, was a beautiful, nice area. But yeah, as you can realize, Sava has spikes right in here. Sava hits the upper band. Next day, it comes tumbling down, try to retest, and then goes down more. But that's the story of Sava. And so the more I look at it, I got to do what has price history given us? What has price history done with this system? Obviously, there's some rare situations. There's going to be news that can really make this go up even further and further. But as you can see, price does have to revert to the mean. We can all agree on that. Price will hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. We see it all the time. It has to do it. It's a guarantee. When we hit the ATR4, a lot of times we head up to the EMA 5. We could absolutely bounce back to this and head up lower or higher. But that doesn't have to always work. This is kind of the same scenario here, actually. We have earnings coming up. We hit ATR4. We come plummeting down. And we go all the way back to the EMA 20 and then some. And we just keep losing steam. So let's look at the current data here. This is Sava coming down from an ATR4 here at a buy zone. And it was just awesome. The bulls rub it up. We knew it had to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. We knew it had to do it. It did it right here. 5, the 10. Got close to the 20. We'll count that as almost. But the algos will touch it. You won't be questioning it. Is that an EMA 20 touch? That's definitely an EMA 20 touch here. And then what happened is usually you get your biggest moves from the EMA 20 and it just rocks on up, guys. That's awesome. Yeah, I just want to say congratulations, but I am more bearish. I think you guys can understand why I'm bearish. Past history, most stocks can't sustain an ATR4. Can it get to an ATR5, which is like, a little higher here? It's just not as likely. It's just very rare. We are at a K of 91.66 with the stochastic oscillator. It is relatively high. The only thing I will say is we did just hit the EMA 5, and then we could draw a trend channel. Obviously, it's going to be an up channel. The trend is up for now, of course, and you can see right in here is your lows, where you're perfectly respecting your lows here. You have a perfect channel here where you have your lows, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. Right here on the lows here, bouncing on the trend channel, and then you kind of have this upper trend channel getting touched. So I would say, fair assessment, we're going to head on down. We're definitely going to head on down here. And I want to see like a longer trend channel here. To me, it just makes a little more sense. The longer trend channel looks like that. We did have a breakout out of this high. I would say we retest this maybe and come back into it. And let's look at another channel here. Yeah, as you can see, we broke out of this high, another one. But I would be very careful, and I think we really will have a move down back to the EMA 5 as we were up at the ATR4 here. So be careful on this, guys. If you guys want to see my alerts and get trades that went over 95%, and that's with proof, I have a system that just like this, you've seen Sava, it hit the ATR4 at the bottom loadings area. We look at stocks that do just like this. Where are they at? At the bottom ATR4, time distance, look for the move up for that EMA 5, 10, and 20 as conservative targets, and that's really what we do. Save stocks, conservative, stay in the market, and make money and compound it. So join the premium Discord. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to use your computer or your phone's browser instead of the app. Avoid scammers. They'll message or DM you. I will never DM you first. You can read the testimonies, guys. Lots and lots of people love this service. Lots and lots of people made lots of money in here. It's freaking awesome, guys. So if you head on over to Service Shop, I have two services, day trading, swing trading, and day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus gives you the most value, more alerts, more for your money. $12 a month will get access to everything, and that includes my live streams, my day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, why I take trades, transparency, entries, exits, a journal of all my trades that I've won, and over 95% win ratio. And matter of fact, the swing trades are at 100% win ratio in the past 8 months, guys. It is been absolute fire. $12 a month. Do subscribe on computer. It'll avoid the iOS fee. I think you guys are going to really love it of why we see things happen. SAVA. Why did we pump from here? Why did the algos pump here? Don't think about anything else. The algos did it because in ATR4, it has to have a rebound. Why are we going to get a sell-off here? Most likely, it could go higher. I'm not going to say it has to. I'm just saying most likely the probabilities are in bear's favor now. And so I've seen you plenty of examples before, and this is how we're going to trade SAVA, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all you guys love. Let me know in the YouTube comments what you think about SAVA. Let me know what your average is. And congratulations, Bulls. I love to see retail traders win. If you guys want to join the Discord, one guarantee I will say is you will be profitable with me. You're not going to be making stupid decisions. You're going to make decisions that are well educated and that make sense and that will make you stay in the market. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and happy trading next week.